In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Facebook Messenger from Hubspot. If you've been managing your customer interactions through Hubspot and want to make changes, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to ensure your Facebook Messenger disconnects smoothly. First, open your favorite web browser and head to Hubspot's homepage. You'll find this at hubspot.com, where you can access all the tools and services Hubspot offers. Once there, look for the trusty login button, usually nestled at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it and enter your login details to open your Hubspot portal. If you have multiple accounts or workspaces, ensure you select the correct one to proceed smoothly. Now that you're inside your Hubspot account, it's time to locate the Hubspot home section. This is typically your starting dashboard, giving you an overview of recent activities and insights into your business performance. From here, you'll want to find the settings option. This is where you can configure various aspects of your Hubspot account. Clicking on settings will usually lead you to a panel with a variety of options and preferences. Next, within the settings menu, look for an option labeled Inbox and Help Desk. Clicking here takes you to the section where Hubspot manages your communication channels. This area is essential for overseeing how your company communicates externally, emails, chats, and yes, Facebook Messenger too. Now focus your attention on the Inboxes tab within the Inbox and Help Desk menu. It's designed to list all your connected inboxes, including the esteemed Facebook Messenger. Selecting this will allow you to view and manage all the communications channeled through Hubspot. Moving forward, find the Channels subsection under Inboxes. This is your management center for the active channels linked to your Hubspot account. Clicking on Channels will grant you a node view of all the people connecting bridges you've set up, one of which is our focus today, Facebook Messenger. As you inspect this section, you'll realize the dynamic nature with which Hubspot integrates these communication tools. The goal is to disconnect Facebook Messenger from this setup. Look for the Facebook Messenger option within the channels list. It's usually clearly labeled. Once you've identified it, initiate the disconnect process by opting to remove or disconnect the channel. This action will sever the connection between HubSpot and Facebook Messenger, allowing you to terminate the chats that flowed through HubSpot. And just like that, you're done. Your Facebook Messenger is now disconnected from your HubSpot account. If you ever need to reconnect or make further adjustments, feel free to revisit these steps at any time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help out.